Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. How many tricks have you learned on the channel till now? I think you must be counting beyond 100 by now, and you must be developing those competencies which will help you become a super fast calculator and being among those 1% students who can do calculations in a different manner. So if you are a school student or a college student or anybody aspiring to clear some government competitive exam, then this channel is for you and you can help yourself calculate 10 times faster through the techniques which I am telling you. The techniques are not actually new. These are derived from some results which great mathematicians have already given us. We are just trying to skip some steps and make it compact so that you become smart with the calculations. In this video, I am going to take up this amazing cubing trick where I will be telling you how to find the cubes of some special numbers 10x faster. Yes, you can actually find the cube 10x faster than the traditional method. So you need to watch the entire video to learn something new, and if you have not clicked the subscribe button, please do it now, and also click the bell shaped icon so that you keep on getting all the notifications of future uploads on the channel right on your mobile. And if you want a compilation of the complete short tricks, I mean more than 350 short tricks, then you need to send me a message on WhatsApp 9896369963. This is the WhatsApp number. Mind you, the ebook costs a little bit, and if you are willing to invest, everybody invests in education. So you can send me a message, and I'll tell you how to get the copy of that ebook of short tricks. Right, let's get going, friends, and learn something new. Cubing trick. So, which numbers I'm going to take up for this video? The first number I'm going to take up is the cube of 61. So 61 cube should be a big maybe a 5 to 6 digit number, right? Okay, let's see what is special about the number. So if I see 61 cube, this is practically 61 square times 61, right? So I have to do 61 square first. Now the first thing is doing 61 square. How do I do 61 square? See, the numbers when they end in 1, the square is also going to end in 1. So I call this technique as PS1. What is PS1? P stands for product, S for sum, and 1 is 1. Product of what? Leave the ones, okay? Just see the number here, 6, 6. So the product of 6 and 6 is 36. The sum of 6 and 6 is 12, and then the 1. So the 12 means 2, and the 1 carried, 36 plus 1 is 37. You get the square of 61. You can actually do that so quickly. I am telling you each and every step. That is why I am taking so much of time writing it here. But if I have to do it for myself, I do this part in maybe 3 to 4 seconds. Yes, that's the amount of time I am going to take to find the square of any number for that matter which ends in 1. And now 3721. So I'll write this 3721 here, and then I need to multiply that by 61 to get my final answer for the cube. What happens after this is even more interesting. Now again, the two numbers here, they end in 1, right? So if I have to do 3721 times 61, I use the PS1 trick once more. Now eliminate the ones, okay? So I'll write a 1 here, and S stands for sum of 372 and 6, which is pretty easy, 378. And the important thing is the product of 372 and 6. 6 2s are 12, so 2 1 carry, 7 6 are 42, 43 means 3 and 4 carry, 6 3s are 18 plus 4, 22. You need to be really quick in your single digit multiplication, okay? Now these three numbers, 1, 8, this 37 carries over here and becomes 9, 6, 2, 2. Double 2, 6, 9, 8, 1. Now pick up the calculators, friends, and check, is the cube of 61 226,981? And you are going to be surprised by the accuracy of the result. The method works well if the unit digit is 1. I'll take lots of examples, okay? I'll show you how this works for 3-digit numbers also. Let's take up another example in which we will take a 3-digit number this time, okay? So I'm doing 121 whole cube. So I know that 121 whole cube is primarily 121 square multiplied by 121. So let's do 121 square first. So 121 and 121. Forget the ones, just write a 1 here. 12 plus 12, 24, and 12 times 12, 144. So 1, then 24 means 4, 2 carried, so 146. So 14641 is the square of 121. Isn't that quick? So let's write 14641 here and multiply that by 121 to get my final answer for the cube of 121. So 14641 times 121. So forget the ones again. So I'll write a 1 here. Now 1464 plus 12 is 1476. And now 12 times 4. I'll do the product directly. Okay, I'll write one more step. 1464 times 12, right? So 12 fours are 48, 8, 4 carry. 12 sixes are 72, 76, 6, 7 carry. 12 fours are 48, 55, so 5 and the 5 carry. 12 ones are 12 plus 5, 17, and then we have 1, 4, 7, 6 and 1. So the answer 1 here, I write here 1 and then 6 here, and then this 147 has to be added here to find the remaining part of my answer. 8 plus 7, 15, 5, 1 carry means 11, so 1 carry means this is 7 and then 1 7. 1771561. That happens to be the square of not the square, the cube of 121. Human beings made calculators, friends, and we are now dependent on calculators. Let's start thinking about numbers and let's start experimenting. Once you start experimenting with numbers, they are going to befriend you, and I tell you, you will work out wonders with numbers. Let me take one more example, and this time the example will be even more a bigger number, okay? So let's take the example of 181 cube. Can we do this? So I know that I have to do 181 square and multiply it by 181 to get my answer. Now what is 181 square? For that, forget the ones, just write a 1. 18 plus 18 is 36 and 18 times 18 squared is 324. So 1, 6, 3 carries over here, so this becomes 327. So the square of 181 is 32761, and times that by 181 you are going to get your answer. How do you multiply this? 3276. I'll just forget this one, okay, and multiplied by see, I'm not writing 1 here, so be careful. And another 181, right? So I'll write only 18. So what do I need to do? 1. Now add these two. I should know 32 and 76 plus 18, 94, right? And multiplication of 3276 by 18. This is the only thing you should be careful about. So you should know your table of 18. If you don't know that, you should learn it, and you can actually break 18 into its partial products, and then also you can do that multiplication. We have posted so many multiplication tricks on the channel, right? So I've done this for you already so that we can save a little bit of time here. The number comes out to be 58968. 58968, and followed by 3294 in the middle and 1 in the end. So let's write the answer here. 1 and the 4, they don't change. This 329 adds up to this number, which gives me 17. So 7 and a 1 carry. So this is 9. and then this is 12, so 2 and 1 carry means 59. So my answer is 5929741. Oh, look at the beauty of the method, the cubing of numbers ending in 1. It's amazing, friends. And once you start learning these tricks, I tell you, there are so many different tricks which are associated with this method, and you are going to be one among those top students, who can think about numbers like this. Should I give you a DIY question, do it yourself question, so that you can work on it? Let's give you some questions. Okay, so the question number 4 and question number 5 is for you. So you need to do 71 cube using this method, and then you need to do 251 cube using this method. So note the time and let me know how much time did you take to get the correct answer. Okay, I'll wait for your comments. I'll give you the answers also. This is 3579111 and this is 1581321. Okay, so note down these two. These are your DIY questions, do it yourself questions. Post your comments here and let me know whether this helped you, and did it increase your speed. Okay, all the best for this one.